of February 2025.
The Hinyo Treb Youths Council, also known as the HYC Rat Nongtung Circle, led by President Hercules Suting, met with Ribhoi District Border Magistrate Raja Brahma today to address concerns over tax collection by Assam officials in disputed areas of Rat Nongtung. Residents have been burdened with taxes at a gate in Umsopho, further exacerbating their struggles after a significant drop in agricultural product prices. The HYC called for swift intervention to resolve the issue and alleviate the hardships faced by the residents.
Dekade kamat kabangi akan rasi buat importan bensin kalong kaba iyo yang komplain nagi paiba kalong ba kajing sak nyot jong kinong rap agateka jaka kalong ba langba ka jing sak nyot aki kajing bu jong gigiet ka giet ka bala bu napo ka karbi anglong ka bala ap daki khan pali ka bala tak jur sibun yaki ki paiba kamtam ki kasi pasa ketika than namar kajing sim ya kadol kamur ya kajing saot jong norap kalong ba aga sit pick up la penkit ka pick up la menkita arton sikang nalai ton kajing saot kawai kali kajing sak trong kalong harta khazana ka de Hojare e nakaliang jengi kum kaseng entah kasi la bu kajing karpat ya i berdar mistit ba in simtialang ya kani ka benta ka ba kum ki ba kimat kajing nakaliang jengi ro i laong hi i lapul pau sini ba in isa sim kya bat isale ya ka iga ba kam nakaliang jenta district bejensit
Dream organized